is Bala Reva. Welcome to Bala Reva UiPath YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to change the password for the Word document, and also we are going to see how to merge the documents. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, never miss the update. Your subscription makes me to create more videos and component. To do this, first you have to install the package. Go to Manage and Packages and select all packages and type Bala Reva Word. And select the package, and the version is 6.1.4, and install the package and save. The package has been installed. First I am going to create a document using a create document activity. When you navigate in the activities panel, you can able to see the Bala Reva Word and create document. The create document works only inside the Word application scope from Bala Reva Word package. So first I am going to drag the Word document application scope, and you have to mention the path. So I'm going to take this path. So the file name is sampledata.docx. I'm going to use the create document activity. This activity creates the document in the specified file name. Okay, I'm going to execute the process. It's finished. Let us check the output. See, now we have the sample data docx. This Word document is not protected by the passwords. Okay, so we are going to set the password to this document. So I'm going to comment out this activity. So I'm going to use the change password. Now the Word document doesn't have the password, so we are going to set the password. So I'm going to give the modify password as 123, and open password is 12345. Okay, so I'm going to execute the process. Okay, let us check the output. So I'm going to open the document. So now it's asking the open password. It is 12345, and the modified password is 123. Okay, so if you want to remove the password, you can able to use the same activity. Okay, so first, now the file is having the password, so we have to set the password in the Word application scope. So the modified password is 123 and the open password is 12345. Okay, you can use the same activity to remove the password. You just set empty. So now it's empty. So I'm going to execute the process. It's finished. Let us check the output. See, now we don't have the password. So this is the way you can able to reset the password, or you can able to remove the password. Next we are going to see the merge documents. The merge document is a standalone activity. There is no dependency with Word application scope activity from Bala Reva Word package. So I'm going to comment out this whole process. So I'm going to drag the merge document. The thing is, we need to create some files with content. So I'm going to use the same sample data. So let me put some content inside the document. So I'm going to UiPath DevCon 2020. So here we have some content. So I'm going to copy paste this content inside the Word document. Yes, I'm going to save And also, so I'm going to create another file, and this is sample data 1. Okay, and it has the same content. I'm going to add some more information inside the document. I'm going to save the document. So now we have sample data and sample data 1. What we are going to do, we are going to merge the sample data and sample data 1. Okay, so here you have to give the source files, because this is string array, so you can able to give n number of Word document files here. I'm going to merge these two documents. Sample. So here is sample data docx. Sample data 1 docx. Okay, and here we need to give the output file. It merge these two files and return it as another file. So we have to give a output Word document file name here. Okay, I'm going to give merge data. Okay, I'm going to execute the process. Okay, it's finished. Let us check the output. See, the merge data file is created. So when you open this file, the data comes from sample data, and after that you can able to see the content from sample data 1. Okay, now the both contents are merged. Okay, so this is the way you can able to merge n number of documents, and it will return it as another file. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Never miss the update. Your subscription makes me to create more videos and components. Thank you. Bye.